Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by opening Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same No Blue shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate feature to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!